Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariana Kiel, and today's video is going to be a simple review on a wig that I got from Amazon. It's by the brand Muskink, Muskink. It will be linked in the description box below. But it is a water wave wig, and it is 24 inches. It's a 13 by 6, so it has deep parting, girl. Deep parting. Like, you do anything with this wig. Lace frontal wig. And I've been wearing it about a week and a half now. Well, actually 2 weeks. It's actually 2 weeks now since you guys will see this video. As you can see, I'm doing touch-ups. I'm using the Ebin Lace Bond glue. That's my first time trying it out. I've always just used the lace spray. Now, the wig is advertised as being glueless, so you can just use the spray, but it did not come with an elastic band. So it just came with the 2 comb clips, and it came with a strap that was in the back, but the strap is not adjustable as it's nothing to clip onto it. But the hair itself is amazing. The lace could be better. The lace is like a ashy white, so you really will have to tint it. I just used my summer foundation shade, and I tinted that, of course, a week ago. I have washed the hair twice. It is still good. Brushed it out. It has minimal shedding, and I get lots of compliments on this wig. So I've been in contact with the company, and I will have a coupon code. It will be listed in the description box below if you want to get 30% off of your purchase of this same wig. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the clips until I come back.
Some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can
As you guys saw, I used the Ebon lace spray, I used the Ebon glue, and I also used the Ebon melting spray. The lace glue and the melting spray, those were my first 2 times trying it on my own. I tried the melting spray at one of my homegirls' house. Shout out to Destiny. And I liked how it melted the lace. I wanted to do it on my own, get all the products. So I basically have all the Ebon line. But as you can see, I put some grapeseed oil in my water bottle. I sprayed the wig down, ran my fingers through it, and then now I'm putting the Nairobi setting foam lotion. So when the hair dries, it'll hold the curl and it won't be poofy. I will have an updated video as well on how it looks when it's dry and when it's out without product. But it's big. It's a lot and it's summertime. So keep that in mind if you're trying to get this little 24-inch bust down. Okay. But now I'm just showing off. Looking good. Almost done. So enjoy these next few clips.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me Jay is the best. Pointed at you, act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the risk and forgot about that bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want that. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like y'all, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillows all bitter, spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
All right, you guys, here is the wet look. I will have a clip at the end showing while it's dry. Really gorgeous hair. Again, this is by Muskink. It's an Amazon seller. I will have my coupon code soon in the description box below for 30% off. So go ahead and use that. And hope you enjoy.